So there's been kind of a trend happening online, and people that have been reaching out to me have been noticing a lot of people are looking to upgrade from the old ortho dial-in spray to a backpack sprayer. And I think that's great. I think that's a smart move, and it's obviously an investment. And backpack sprayers can handle a lot more than a hose end sprayer. Today I want to talk about the Yard Mastery backpack sprayer that just came to market and give my thoughts on it, give you an overview and give you a review and show you what that one's all about. Here we go. Now before I get into this, just a quick disclaimer, in case you didn't already know, I do work for Yard Mastery now, and I have for the last couple of months, and they did send this to me to try out and test before they launched it, and of course I'm going to do a review video on it. So with that all being said and out of the way, let's get right into it. I am aware that you can find sprayers on Alibaba that look just like this one and just like several other popular sprayer brands. And you'll find that the molds are pretty universal for the tank. It's important to remember that just because it's the same tank and it looks the same doesn't mean that the internal components are the same. This particular sprayer, and I know other companies as well, are upgrading the switches and the pumps and the nozzles and other components about the sprayer to make it their own. So keep that in mind as you're shopping around and you see things like that. It's not always what you see at face value. There's more to it. Now the biggest selling point for me with this particular sprayer is it includes literally everything you need. It comes with the battery, of course. It comes with the standard nozzles. The big difference here, this sprayer comes with T-jet nozzles. It comes with a fine mist and a flood jet tip. It also comes with the assembly required to connect it to the wand, and it comes with a quick connect adapter as well. Everything you need. You don't have to go and source all these extra parts and figure out how that all works. It's all right out of the box, ready to go. And if you know my experience with setting up quick connects and T-jets, I've gone through that whole roller coaster ride of trying to find all these parts and get it all together. I've done videos on that. Now you don't have to do that anymore. Now getting into the details, the actual form factor of this is very small. It has a very small footprint, so it doesn't take up a lot of space in the garage when you're storing it away. The outside of the tank has markings for volume, and it's pretty specific as far as 1, 2, 3, and 4 gallons, so you know exactly what you got going on in the tank. The battery housing on the back is nice and conveniently located out of the way, and it's watertight, so you don't have to worry about any water, any other liquids getting in there. You've got a dual pressure switch on the side, and I'll also point out that this switch is very easy to reach when you're wearing the backpack sprayer. Now with it being dual pressure, the low pressure setting is 40 psi and the high pressure setting is 90 psi. And I found that those are just great as far as being able to move enough product in a timely manner and get everything done quickly. Now I'll admit, when I took this out of the box, I wasn't too excited about the straps. They didn't look very comfortable to me, but I will say they are pretty comfortable, and they're comfortable enough to when you have a full tank, it's not digging into your shoulders. It sits comfortably on your shoulders. The only thing I don't like about these straps is they can't be adjusted while you're wearing the backpack sprayer. You've got to take it off, make your adjustments, and put it back on. There's not any pull straps on the bottom to do that. But after having had some time with this and using it with full tanks and doing the thing, it's not a deal breaker for me. They're not by any means uncomfortable. It's just one minor detail that, you know, nothing's gonna be absolutely perfect. And I have mentioned this to Alan, so we'll see if maybe down the road we can get some adjustable straps that can be adjusted on the go. As far as the battery itself goes, it comes with a 2600 milliamp hour battery, and it lasts a long time. I have charged it once, and I've used the backpack sprayer probably 5 or 6 times now, and I've only used 1 bar. It does have a battery indicator on the back. You hold down the button and it will show you how much power is left. So overall, bottom line, I think this is a great sprayer. I think it's a great option for anybody that wants to get a backpack sprayer and at the same time not have to worry about any accessories or additional parts. It comes with literally everything that you could need. I don't know of any other parts that you would need for this. It has all the nozzles for different use cases. Everything's ready to go right out of the box. So I'll leave a link down in the description below. You can check this out, pick one up for yourself if you're looking to get into the backpack sprayer game. It really does make a difference when it comes to the ease of applications for liquid products. You can mix multiple products in here, and I've put this thing through the ringer, and it has had some thick mixes and it's handled it like a champ. So that's not something that you can do with hose end sprayers. So if you have areas that you want to cover, not have to worry about refills all the time, upgrade from 32 ounces to 4 gallons. It's a big upgrade. So there you go, Yard Mastery backpack sprayer. Hope that's helpful for you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.